Let's see how you can actually create a simple custom ChatGPT AI chatbot for any business that can simply work on Facebook page, Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, SMS, even on the website chat widget as well. So here I'm in a demo icon. First of all, you need to connect the support channels right here. For example, we have already connected the Facebook page, Demogetic Media, likewise Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, SMS, and other channels too. So here, if you click on the channels option over here, it will take you directly to settings, channels, where you can easily connect any channels you like right here. For example, if you're wondering how to connect Instagram, simply click on this Instagram option over here and you will see the connect button over here. So if I click on learn more, here we have the step-by-step guide as well, which shows how the Instagram connection works. So connect button, simply log in with Instagram account, make sure all these permissions are allowed, and then simply choose your Instagram account and connect it. That's it. So if you're wondering how to connect your WhatsApp business app or WhatsApp business phone number, you can simply again choose WhatsApp option over here, and here again we have the step-by-step guide as well. So connecting these channels just take a few seconds for you to connect right here. So this is how the WhatsApp works. Here we have a video as well. So even you can connect your existing WhatsApp business app phone number right here as well. All right, so once it is connected, you can actually build any sort of automations right here. And let's see how we can actually use the ChatGPT to build the AI chatbot for your own business. So if you are planning to use the ChatGPT API, then you have to go to settings, integrations, and make sure you connect the OpenAI ChatGPT API keys as well. So here, if you're wondering how, again click on learn more. Here we have the step-by-step guide on how to grab the API keys from the OpenAI platform. So you can click on this link, log in with your own ChatGPT account. It will take you directly to this particular window right here. You can easily create a new secret key and simply connect it on our platform. So once that is done, you can actually build any sort of automations powered by ChatGPT. And you have to go to the AI hub over here, where you can actually create and manage AI agents or AI chatbot for your own business. So here you can easily create a new one right here, but let me use the existing one, which is about this HVSC business. So let me open this one. So here we have all the information about that specific company right here, and we have the prompt as well saying answer the customer's question in one true sentence and other things as well. All right, and here we have some information about the pricing logic and other things as well. All right, so when a particular customer asks any sort of question, we will use the information right here to answer the customer's questions. So likewise, if you have gathered all the information about your own business, you can use that right here, and you can even upload specific files over here and then use those files for the AI agent or AI chatbot as well. So here you have to simply select the files you have already uploaded and use that for the specific AI agent as well. And you can even use AI functions right here, different functions to collect specific customer details as well. So if you are planning to use the OpenAI ChatGPT, click on this option over here. Make sure you choose the specific model. So let's say we want to use GPT 5.4 mini. So when a particular customer asks any sort of questions, it will simply use this particular model to answer the customer's questions right there. And only if it fails, it will go to other models over here, only if you have connected those via settings integration. So in this demo icon, we have connected all these models, so that's why all these shows up. Otherwise, if you have connected only the OpenAI, you will see only the OpenAI right here. All right, and here you can adjust the temperature, other things as well. So let me click on save over here. All right, it has been saved. So let's make this as the default agent as well. So now when a particular customer send any sort of messages on any of these connected channels, it will simply use this specific AI agent to answer the customer's questions. And if you want to delay these responses, let's go to settings over here, bot reply delay. So you can actually set how long the bot waits before actually send a response to the customer's questions. And you can even activate the same AI agent in the comments automation as well. For example, for the Instagram and Facebook, you can actually have the comments automation where you can use AI to respond to those comments as well. For example, let me set this for the Facebook comments automation right here and show you how this actually works. So let me say create a new one and AI comments HVSC. All right, so here you can set up the Facebook comments automation right there. So track comments on all posts, so it will simply work on the past post, reels, and the future ones as well. And private replay, so you can, for when someone actually comments on your Facebook post or reels, you can even send a message as well in the DMs. Otherwise, if you don't want to do that, click on and public comment replay. So here you can simply choose the AI agent and select the AI agent this one, HVAC. So when a particular customer add a comment on your Facebook post or reels, it will simply use this AI agent to answer the customer's questions in the comments over there. Alright, and reply to all comments. And here also you can have different variations. You can like the user comment, you can delay these responses if you want. Alright, so let me click on save over here. So it has been saved and active as well. So likewise you can set up the same thing for the Instagram comments automation as well, but let's just focus on the Facebook comments automation right here. All right, so now we have set up the AI agent right here and also the comments automation for the Facebook as well. So let's test how this actually works. So this can simply work on other separate channels like WhatsApp, TikTok and other channels too, but let's test on the Facebook page right there. All right, so here let me go to the Facebook page connected right here and let me send a message over here. So here let me send a message about asking the business hours. All right, so let me say, what are your business hours? All right, I have sent a message asking about the business hours. So Monday to Friday 7 to 7 and Saturday 8 to 5. All right, and emergency services available as well. So let's see what's the response. So it says Monday to Friday 7 to 7. We also offer emergency service, this one. So they have to simply call the specific phone number to get the emergency services right there. Simple as that. So likewise, if you ask any other questions, it will simply work as well. So here in the AI agent, you can set conversation history memory right here using this specific field variable, and also you can ask specific questions as well. So here we have the prompt in such a way to ask these 4 questions from the customers when they have issue with the AC. So residential home. So we first ask whether it's residential or commercial, and then it's central or split, and same day or emergency, or likewise it simply provide them a specific diagnosis fee as well. So let's see how this actually works as well. For example, let me say I need help with my AC fixed. All right, so let me send this and see. So it says I can help with that. First, is this for a residential home or a commercial? So let me say residential home. All right, so now it will simply ask whether it's central or split. So let me say it's a central AC. All right, then it will ask whether they need the same day or urgent service. So based on the information, it will have the diagnostic fee as well. For the residential 79, central 20, and urgency again 30. All right, so it will provide the total cost as well. For example, let me say urgent. All right, so it should actually send us the basic diagnostic fee as well based on the information we have right there. So it says based on the residential home with the central AC urgent service, the total fee would be 129. Simple as that. And also it provide the estimate fee for the repairing as well, and also push the customer to call the specific number to get in with the team as well. Simple as that. So here this can simply work for the Facebook comments automation as well. So here let me open a random post or reel over here and add a comment saying, asking about the business hours again right here. What are your business hours? So this I'm adding a comment instead of sending a message. So this can simply work as well. So let's see. So here we receive the response. It says our business hours are from this one. We also offer 24/7 emergency service as well. Simple as that. So likewise, if you ask any other question, it will simply work as well. For example, so here these are the service areas for them. So here let me go to the Facebook different post right here and ask a question. So let me open this post. What areas do you serve? Adding a comment asking about what areas do you serve. So let me see if we have received any response. So let me refresh the post. All right, we have received a response. It says we serve all these areas. Simple as that. So that's how it actually works on the Facebook, but it works the same on other channels like WhatsApp, Instagram and other channels too. And you can even track the conversation happened through the unified inbox right there. And from this unified inbox, agent can easily jump in and talk with the specific customers as well. So that's a quick video on how you can actually build a custom ChatGPT AI chatbot for your business. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.